Yo ninjas, I'm Kaio and welcome to this new tutorial where I'm gonna teach you the swipe. I wanna remind you that you can sign up to my newsletter, the first link in the description. If you sign up, you will receive on your email a private power move tutorial. Also, I wanna remind you, if you're interested, check out my merch, link in the description. Before learning the swipe, you really need to know some variations of the one step. The one step, or helicopter or coffee grinder, is this move here. This is the basic one, but I recommend you to learn also this variation here. The dynamic of this footwork is the same as the swipe. The only thing that changed is the hip position and the foot position. I also recommend you the jump over, this move here. You should be able to do it with the same leg or foot as the swipe or as the one step. For example, if you spin clockwise in the one step, you should jump with the right foot, like this, jump with the right, and also in the jump over, jump with the right. Because basically the swipe is a big swing with the left leg all around and a jump with the right leg. So it's also important that from this position here, with the right leg, you are able to push up, like this. Also with your hips up, if possible, like this. Push. So these are just basics for the swipe. Now let's learn the movement. Before to continue with the tutorial, I want to thank my supporters. Thank you Jaspreet Singh, Paul, Lucas, Alan Jaski, Kelly Candy, Josh Andrews, Lara Krehan and Kathleen Bonnici. Thank you so much to all my old and new supporters. And if you want to support me or if you want me to be your coach with your power moves, check out my Patreon, link in the description. As I said, the dynamic is the same as the one step. So start from the one step, here. You should be able to do the one step by turning around with your body. So not always on the front, but put your hand at the same line with this other hand, jump and face the other side. Try this until you feel comfortable. Then, to transform this movement into a swipe, all you need to do is changing the foot position and the hips position. Let's start only with the foot. Now we are in the position 0, in the footwork position. Instead of starting like this, like a footwork, we are gonna lean the whole foot on the floor, like this. And also the hand will be flat on the floor. Try to do the one step with your hands flat on the floor and with your right foot flat on the floor. So it looks something like this. To make it more similar to a swipe, all you need to do is to lift up your hips. So instead of starting like this, now lift up your hips, like this. The real swipe is in this position here, and the hips is always high. If you are not able to maintain your hips high all the time, make sure to master a very good one step and make sure to try this exercise. Just jumping up and lifting up your hips. Also, you can try this. From here, change your arm, jump to the other arm, but stay with your hips high, so like this. Let's try one round of swipe. Start in the same position like a one step, like this. Put your hand flat on the floor, put your foot flat on the floor and push up your hips. Now lift up this leg, the left leg, and try to do kind of like a one step from here. So change your arm, master one round first and then try more rounds. Another way that you can practice the swipe is with both legs on the floor. So you will start like this, instead of like this, both legs on the floor, jump, put your other hand here in the same line as the left one, jump, and go to the other side, face the other side, jump again, put the arm here, jump, and face the front again. At the beginning, just try for each round of swipe to turn your body from here to here. Thank you for watching, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. If you are interested, check out my merch. And if you want the private power move tutorial, sign up to my newsletter, link in the description. And also, if you want to support me, check out my Patreon, always link in the description. See you next week. Yo, ninjas!